social enterprise plan is to, when we get the money that we have now, the £50, we're going to put that towards buying paper and ink so that we can make the books, and then we'll try and sell them online. And if we can get like a publisher, which we already contacted already, just wait for a response from them, then we're going to start selling our books. The first focus is going to be our school and then our local community, and we'll just keep expanding with that.
We realized that language was something really important to us as we are immigrants ourselves, and we realized that it's also a big problem that people don't exactly show the culture. So we wanted to give people voices and show a little bit of the culture. Helped us learn teamwork. Besides all the focus on the work, we're also having fun at the same time. We cannot lie, it is a little bit stressed out, but just to be able to create a business and to never give up just because it's hard. Keep trying until you get it. Heart beating.
No, lucky because I thought you're gonna do this. At least you got a People's Choice Award.
I'm very surprised you got that.
I know, right? We worked so hard on that.
Like everybody's a winner.